Hello all and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see the first problem in HackerRank in C++. But before that, please like and subscribe. This is the graphical interface of the HackerRank. We need to print our first statement in C++, the famous hello world. Let's write printf and inside hello world. And return 0. The return 0 indicates the successful program execution. I get an error because I forget to add the question mark at the end of the return. I get a second error because I forget the comma. Now we are ready. Thank you very much for watching.